Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. All right, let's begin. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Find the email you want to attach. Next, create a new email and enter the recipient and subject. To attach the email, locate it in your inbox, then click and hold the message. Drag it into the new email window and drop it inside the body. The email will automatically attach as a file. If you want to attach multiple emails, select multiple messages and drag them into the new email. They will appear as separate attachments. You can also attach emails from other folders, such as drafts. Open your new email in a separate window. Go back to your inbox or drafts, then drag and drop the selected emails into the message. Once attached, review your email and send it as usual. This method allows you to quickly include full email conversations as attachments. So that's basically how you can attach an email to another email in Outlook. That's it for this video. Thanks.